One day, I squeezed through the crowds at the Louvre, ready to see the most famous painting in the world. And then, boom! There she was! I blinked. Wait, this is it? She's just sitting there? No dragons, no explosions, no golden crown? Before I could complain, a hand tapped my shoulder. I turned around and, oh wow, it was Leonardo da Vinci himself! White beard, twinkly eyes, and a sketchbook under his arm. "Don't be fooled," he whispered. "This isn't just a lady smiling. This is the greatest experiment I ever made." He pulled me right into the painting. Suddenly, I was standing next to the woman herself, Lisa del Giocondo. She wore simple clothes, no jewels at all. I asked, "Lisa, where's all your shiny stuff? Don't rich ladies usually show off?" She laughed softly. "Leonardo told me no distractions, only my face matters here." Leonardo nodded. "Exactly. Look closer. See those tiny layers of paint? I stacked more than 30 of them, thinner than a hair. That's why she glows. Light bounces back through the paint, so her face shines from inside." "Commander!" I leaned closer. Whoa! From the left, she was smiling. From the right, she looked serious. "She's tricking me!" "No trick," Leonardo said. "It's science. Your eyes see shadows with the edges and details in the middle. Move your gaze. Her smile changes." I gasped. "So, her grin is alive?" He winked. "Alive, forever." We wandered deeper into the painting. Behind Lisa, rivers twisted into her hair, mountains rose into her shoulders. The earth itself seemed to curl around her. "See?" Leonardo said. "Nature and people, they're connected." I noticed the horizon line didn't quite match her shoulders. "Hey, that looks tilted." "Shh," he smiled. "That's my little trick. Your brain thinks she's moving, even though she isn't." I turned back to Lisa. Her eyes were definitely following me now. Left, right, near, far. She never looked away. My knees wobbled. "She's staring straight into my soul." Lisa just smiled. Or did she? Hard to tell. Leonardo whispered, "Everyone thinks this painting is quiet, but inside it, there's movement, mystery, and light that never stops. That's why 500 years later, you're still trying to figure her out." And then, whoosh! I was back in the museum, staring at the real Mona Lisa. She sat there, silent, surrounded by hundreds of tourists. But I swear, she gave me a secret smile, just for me. Now you see why the Mona Lisa is a masterpiece. It's not just because she's famous. Leonardo da Vinci put all his knowledge into this painting. Science, art, even psychology. He painted layer by layer, using light and shadow to make her look alive. Her smile changes when you look at her eyes or her mouth. Her gaze follows you, and the soft background connects her with nature. Unlike other portraits of her time, she has no jewelry, no fancy clothes. Only her face, her hands, and her mysterious smile. The Mona Lisa shows how Leonardo mixed science and art to create something timeless. That's why, even after 500 years, she still feels like a living mystery.